Welcome back to the channel. Today we are putting the nvidia RTX 5090 to the test, running the latest Qwen 3.5-35B-A3B model, which is a really capable, local-friendly model. We'll compare it side by side with the RTX 3090 to see how much of a performance boost you can expect. Before we dive into the benchmarks, here is my setup and the PC spec. It has an Intel CPU and a system RAM of 48GB. The GPU is Astro 5090, which has 32GB of VRAM. For the operating system, I use the Linux Ubuntu 24.04. Now let's quickly compare the specs between the 3090 and the 5090. For the 3090, it still is powerful, however, it might be struggle with larger models. For the 5090, it is the latest nvidia flagship GPU. It has more CUDAs, it has higher VRAM, and faster memory bandwidth. Let's see how they compare with each other. I have installed the latest llama.cpp on both machines and put them side by side. We want it to generate long enough text, so we specify at least 2000 words. And on the left, let's press enter. On the right, enter. Yeah, we can see the right side for the 5090, it's significantly faster than the left side. So this is the 5090, 82% GPU utilization using at least 21GB of VRAM. So here is the 3090. I'm using only one, the first one here. The VRAM is similar and using about 89% utilization. Yeah, on the right side, it already stopped. The generating speed is at 162.2 tokens per second. And on the left side, it's about 92.9 tokens per second. Comparison is pretty significant. You can clearly see that 3090 is still fast, but the 5090 is just so much faster. Looking at the exact generating number, so that's 92.9 versus 162.2. That's a 74.5% increase. And another thing is this model is great. I think like capability wise, it can able to do agentic coding. I will do a local agentic coding using this Qwen 3.5 model in my next video. Alright, I hope you find this video useful. Please let me know what do you think and what do you want to run on 5090 in the comments. Please subscribe to the channel for future content. Thank you. Goodbye.